Hello! Today we're gonna make a really tasty recipe with cheese doodles and rosemary. And for that you need one bag of cheese doodles. In this case it's with the taste of cheddar. That is very tasteful and great for this kind of thing. And you need rosemary. We have a big tree here, so that will be enough. So that's what we need. Okay, we start with the chopping, and in this case I will take two pieces of this tree. I think that will be enough. And you don't want the middle part, you just want these green leaves. So you just take your fingers and okay, so now we are ready to mix it together, and I take the bag of cheese doodles and I open it fully, and I take this rosemary and just pour it into the bag. And here it's quite important that you don't shake it too hard, because you want the cheese doodles to still be in good shape. So my suggestion is that you just take the bag, hold it, and you don't shake it, just up and down, mix it together. And the fat of the cheese doodle will take out the really good taste of the rosemary. But it's important now, when you are done with the shaking, that you secure it. Like this. And then recommendation is that you wait till the next day to eat it, maybe over the night, but you can also taste it in like 5-6 hours. You still have some really tasty snacks. Okay, hello again. Now we wait a couple of hours and it's time to pour this tasty snacks up. Look at it. Ah, looks really nice this, yes. You see the rosemary, the green rosemary, it's all mixed together. Beautiful, beautiful. So now just enjoy your good snacks and have a nice day.